It's like 8 inches of snow. Get up so your pants don't get soaked.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, this is very pillowy snow. Don't really make a snowball. Ooh. A flake hit the back of my neck. It was cold. Oh, Jesus. You got snow all in your hair.
Dude, I feel so either just looking for these. What? Okay.
You about to get frostbite fingers trying to do a TikTok.
I'm at the ball trying to do shit. Okay.
Oh, my shoes. Measure 8 or 9.
And what did they say? They said. Thank you. They said what? 8 to 12 or something? 6 to 12?
No. Yeah, 6 to 12, somewhere around there.
Are you staying warm? Yeah.
You need a hat.
I know I don't have one, but it's okay. That's why I left my hair down so I could kind of try to cover my ears.
Ooh, why the wind have to start blowing? Wait a minute. It was fine till that happened. Ooh, kids are fine, but ooh.
Oh my god, I keep sinking. Look at my feet. Where'd my feet go?
That's why I have on 2 pair of socks, 2 pair of pants.
Let's take a picture for our snowman.
His name is Monkey.
I'm coming.
Oh,
There's enough.
yeah.
Can you catch this puppy?
This is a giant stick.
I can't push the button, so I just have to take a screenshot later. Just get in front next to it.
Get by your snowman.
Okay, that's good. Hmm.
Oh Lord, what is Daddy plotting?
I don't know. Hey! Don't eat the snow.
I'm plotting tasting the snow.
Can you taste the snow, Ashley? Wait, we could sit.
Make sure you gotta grab clean snow.
I got clean now.
Nothing with dirt or anything else in it.
I clean.
Oh, clean.
Go ahead, just drop
A clean spot. Nothing with dirt on it or any other color.
Okay, go ahead. This good?
Plain white snow.
That good? Yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes like complete water.
Tastes like what?
Complete water.
Complete water.
No, I had some a minute ago on accident.
I can barely stand.
Are you having fun?
This is why they said don't go nowhere unless you absolutely have to. Car gets stuck.
Yep.
You cold?
Hey, rudeness.
Yeah, you can't really form a snowball in this snow. It's just too. It's too soft and
Hi.
pillowy. Hey.
It's like ice cream. It's like ice cream. Oh, Ashton.
It's like ice cream. Is that what you said?
Oh, hey. Yeah. It's like ice cream. Oh no.
See, Aiden just threw a pile of dust.
Oh Lord. I have a cute photo.
What?
Hold on, I gotta grab my camera. Hey, Daddy. Everyone stand around. Wee.
Oh, you hit yourself in the head. See?
Basically, Aiden's idea.
I had the idea first.
Oh, well, Ashlyn's idea, Aiden's idea, everybody's idea.
Here, both of y'all do it at the same time and just smile.
Okay.
Oh, you.
It was
you're gonna
just.
take a screenshot.
Oh yeah, just screenshot it later. I can't.
Okay.
Because with my gloves on, I can't push the.
I was
the,
going to grab
the
my
screen.
phone, that's why I took my
It's too
phone.
cold to put your gloves back
I'm going to
on.
just go put my phone here. One. I want to eat some more snow. This is good snow, right?
Yeah. Just nowhere that you have stepped in or anything that had, like you see, some of those has like little twigs and stuff. Don't grab none of that. Just an area that hasn't been touched and is just all white. That's
Mom, there's
that's
smoke
all.
coming out of my mouth.
That's okay. Just not too much.
Okay, come here, Ashton. You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, grab some snow.
Okay.
Get on over there. Aiden.
Oh, grab some snow, Tinky. Here, you want to sit on this side? Not so much. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1. Oh, shit.
Ma'am,
I'm falling. Sorry, I know you yelled at me the other day.
too much editing. Here, I'm gonna... Oh Lord! Oh Lord! I almost. Oh!
Are you okay? Is the camera okay?
I almost. Wait a minute.
You good?
Hold on. I almost dropped my phone in the snow.
It was gone lost.
Now it switched. Now it switched cameras on me. I don't. Oh Lord.
Dad, you know it'd be bad.
Huh?
If you dropped your phone in the snow, couldn't find it.
That'd be terrible.
How do you explain that? My phone got taken by snow. Oh no, Daddy's getting no.
Brother, let's try to avoid faces, please.
What's that? Oh,
Look, it's the camera.
Ashlyn, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I need you to. Okay, grab some. Grab some. They'll never expect it. Okay, 1. Let's get the target. 1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Hey! I didn't know Ada was part of it.
Hey! Sneak attack!
Now we get it.
I think I just saw a rabbit.
Huh?
I think I just saw a rabbit or something over there.
What?
I love rabbit. They're so cute. Especially in the winter.
Oh, I hope that was on camera.
Are you okay? Here, up to these.
Get up! It's snow. He's okay.
Oh Lord, we're all gonna fall. What?
I love rabbits in the snow. They're like little cute. I like animals in the snow. Yo, chill. Oh.
Mom too short. You.
Okay, I checked gloves this year, so I can play with it.
My cheeks are pink.
Pay attention,
Are
so.
your guys' hands stay warm?
Yeah.
Okay.
Our faces.
Huh?
Faces.
Ada's nose is getting a little red, but they look okay so far.
Where we going?
Are so pink.
Because this side or both?
Oh,
I
sit
was
out
gonna say,
here.
Ada threw snow in my face a few minutes ago.
We'll sit out here a couple more minutes and we'll probably go in so we can warm up.
No, I like the snow.
You like the snow? That's good you like the snow. It's very cold though.
Is this gonna be a video?
Yeah.
All my hair is very crispy.
Your hair is freezing. Aiden, Mom's hair is freezing. She's turning into
Jack
It's
Frost.
very, come listen,
Yes.
it's very crispy.
Jack Frost or Elsa or something.
You hear that? It's very crispy. My hair is crispy. Yours is probably crispy. Yeah, yours is crispy too. It's just from it being wet from the snow and then freezing because it's so cold. It's okay.
Hey.
Oh, Mom did that. Look at her. She's running away.
So I didn't do that right.
You know running is that you did, right?
Nope. You stay back, sir.
No, I'm not gonna get you. Kind of.
Bull baloney.
I know. Hey, you got my nose.
Sorry.
There you go. If I touched you with my gloves, it would have frozen. Ah! Oh, that was cold. Oh, it went down the shirt. Oh. We're good. That was cold. Are you trying to kill me, Aiden? Really?
Seagulls. Dad, Lois, it's seagulls. Dad.
They said, oh no, it's too cold here. You gotta go. We gotta go south. Fly to Florida now.
Be careful. It's
Hey,
gonna
Mom,
get
can
my
birds just like fly wherever they want to?
Yeah.
Like they're taking space and stuff.
Go wherever they want. Actually, they're birds. They're
Whoa! Bro, why do they get free flight and I don't?
Because you don't have wings. Just fly regular with your hand.
Alright, I think I'm gonna stop it here so my phone don't turn into a popsicle.
Okay.
Bye.